Unite for a Workers' Economy is here at Ofgem headquarters. We're here because just 6 companies control all electricity distribution in the UK, and they're making massive profits out of this crisis at the cost of workers. The biggest of these companies, UK Power Networks, made £2.4 billion in profit since 2019. And over the next 5 years, as a result of Ofgem's new price review, we're going to be overpaying these companies £1.5 billion. We're here to demand Ofgem reopens the price review and ends profiteering. It's time to challenge the status quo. Workers and communities need to unite together and demand freedom from fuel poverty. It's time for a workers' economy.